is fall season officially. So what does that mean? That means decorating. I'm so excited. So I have some of my last year decorations, and I went to Hobby Lobby and got some new ones. And I'm going to show you what the before is and what the after looks like. Let's get into it. Okay, so let me show you what I've got. I got this little cute little fence board from Target. It was in the dollar section, and it's $5. So I'm thinking of doing a saying or something. I'm gonna write on here. I got this last minute, so I still need to find stuff for it. And then I got these cute little pumpkins from Hobby Lobby. They are $15.99, but everything was 40% off for the fall. And then I got a smaller one. Cute. I got this cute crate here. It's distressed in white. And then some of this twine. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but it matched the color scheme. And then this little, it's cotton. Well, it's not real cotton. Or is it? I don't know. But I'm going to do something with that too. It's really cute. I got 4 white pumpkins. And then 4 total, 2 big ones, 2 small ones. And then this crate. And I'm going to do this outside in the front. Okay, so here is my decorations I've already had. I took them all out of the box. It's like a white, silver, gold theme. These were leaves I spray painted. They're regularly this color, but then I got some rose gold and silver. And I spray painted them that way because they didn't have any that were this color. They only had regular colored leaves, and I thought it would look cool to put it under pumpkins. You'll see when I'm done decorating it. I'll show you. So I got these Marshalls or Ross or something, I can't remember. Just different ones. This one used to have such a pretty stem, but Simba, my dog, broke it. But I still really like the pumpkin, so I just keep it with a little nub. And then this one I honestly don't think I'll use. I don't really like this one. I don't know what I was thinking when I got it. And then this little plastic one. It's gold with these pretty little gold flecks. This one's a little silver one. And then these 2 big clear ones that I have. I believe I got these from Ross last year. No, Marshalls. And then I have these little gold ones. And then this little bowl I have. I put candy in. It's a orangey sparkled one. I might just switch it out for this one here. That's what I think I'll do. And I put these decorative balls in here instead. Looks good. Alright, let's start decorating. Here's the pumpkins. That's what they look like, and I just stick the leaves underneath the pumpkins. Those are the ones I DIY'd a couple of years ago. Super cute. So that's when you first walk in the front door. I have these over here on my coffee table that I have. I did the glass one, some gold, and again some leaves. And then right here I did the 2 small pumpkins, and then that's a bowl right here. Okay, so let me show you the front, because I'm thinking of doing a cute little pumpkin area. I picked out a couple stuff. I might still need some more, but let me show you what it looks like right now. So this is what we're currently working with. So I need to change out the doormat, and then that needs to go. That's a dead plant. I have this mat that I've had before. I I think last year. So it's just a little dirty from being in the garage. I just need to shake it off. This is how I beat my rugs. Let me show you. I go to the side of the house. And I just hit against the wall. A nice little beating. Okay. Just trying to clean it as best as I can. I mean, it is a welcome rug, so it's meant to be dirty. Okay. My first decor. Right here. Oh, I'm all done. I can go home now. Just kidding. Okay. Now let's, in my head, try to figure out how this is gonna look pretty there. Okay. I'm finally done. But I still need to go to the store and get more stuff because it's not complete yet. But let me show you. So here it is. Very beautiful. So we have the pumpkins from Hobby Lobby down here. Actually, all this is from Hobby Lobby except for the top sign that I think I'm gonna do either gold or white letters, and I have to look up a saying that I want to do. And then I had that twine and I just twisted 2 pieces and wrapped it around there. Super cute. Let me go backwards so you can see the front, and then there's the welcome mat. Really, really cute. All right.
2 hours later.
Hola. It's been a couple of hours. I went to Michael's. So remember the board. I took this with me and I got some letters to put on it, and I got those blue hot glue gun because I didn't have one. And I got all these cute white letters. And I also wasn't planned, but I got these flameless candles, LED candles, and these really cute lanterns. They were on sale, so I'm gonna stick these outside. So I decided on Yay Fall as my saying. And by the way, these were 99 cents, and I had a coupon for 20% off my entire purchase. These lanterns were $24, and then they were 60% off. And then these were $5.99, and then the 20% off the whole purchase, and the glue gun was $14.99. Okay, let's open this up. So I'm pretty strong, just kidding. While we wait, I'm going to take these candles out of their packages. Oh, it's like a legit candle. Holy crap, that's cool. Okay. I didn't know they made flameless candles that were, and it came with the freaking batteries. Score! Okay. I gotta take these mofos out though, because there's plastic on them. Could we like get more complicated with packaging, Michaels? I guess it's for safety reasons, or not safety reasons. What the hell am I talking about? It's for making sure people don't turn it on in the store and use all the batteries. Supercell is the battery. It says heavy duty. We'll see about that. I'm so excited to watch all the Halloween movies. The not so scary ones though, because I am a scaredy cat. I can watch all of the like Saws. I love the Saw movies. And of course Hocus Pocus, who doesn't love that? There's this one movie, and I feel like it's a Disney movie, and it like has the main character Zachariah, I think is his name, or it's like a ghost named Zachariah, and then a family moves in to this new town, and like there's like a mine or something and a ghost, And he's like really animated. Oh, I love Haunted Mansion. Oh, Twitches. I used to love that one with the Tia and Tamara. The Scream Team, that's what it's called. Oh, Under Wraps. I loved that movie. That was such a good movie. Yeah. I want to watch all those movies. Those are the type of Halloween movies I like because they're not too scary. I don't do anything with demonic. I don't mess with that. Nope, not gonna happen. Oh, it's like a yellow light. Okay, let's stick these in here. It's cute. Cute. That's what it looks like. Very, very cute. Hopefully it matches the decor outside. I feel like it's been 5 minutes. Maybe I'm wrong, because I don't... Oh, it's working. Did I get a bad glue stick gun? Come on, baby. Hey, son. How are you doing, babies? You want to say hi? Who's that handsome man? That's my son. Love you. It's been 5 minutes. Why isn't this working? It's been 5 minutes. What the heck? I swear it's been longer than 5 minutes. This thing is a liar. Help. Somebody help me.
1 eternity later.
Okay. So I'm debating between it being like this, like off-centered like that, or would we want to do something like yay, or maybe like this, yay, fall. I wish you guys could tell me right now what you think. Have to work fast.
Push down hard.
No, the L. L's for love. Who knows what what movie that's from? It's one of the best movies ever. It's so funny. L's for love. L's for Lauren. Okay, I'm sorry. L's for fall. Actually, that doesn't work because it has to start with an L, Lauren. Glue it, just glue it. Relax, don't do it when you wanna glue it. Okay guys, after a long day of cleaning and decorating, let me show you what it finally ended up looking like. I'm very happy with it. I think it's really cute. Kind of what I had in my mind. Let's look at it. Ta-da! Super cute. So, there's the sign I made. Yay, fall. And then I rearranged the pumpkins. And then there's the lanterns next to it with the lights. It's still bright outside, so you can't see them that well. But that's it. I'm done. It's super duper cute. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Ooh, it's got a cool pointed tip. There's someone screaming bloody murder out there. Hopefully they're okay. Huh? It's okay. I can edit it out. Or maybe I won't. We'll see. The other one. The other one. Why is the other one so much easier to get out of the packaging? This one's a thick one. She don't want to come out. She's like, no thank you. I'm so in shape. Look at me breaking a sweat from sweeping. Okay. This is legit horrible footage, but oh, I needed that. It's like 80 degrees outside and I'm wearing all black because I'm very smart.